if I chop that money, God knows I'm not doing any facials again.
You can stand under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, under my umbrella.
Just wait for 5 minutes.
No, I don't know where it went. No.
And she's shaking the video.
Sorry.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I have officially started my maintenance 2023. So I'm going to be getting my hair done, my nails done, some mani-pedis, right? Manicure and pedicure. Yes, and probably facials too. But the only thing is that the spa I want to visit, they've not opened for the year. So I think my face can still rock this face like this still when another money comes, because if I chop that money, God knows I'm not doing any facials again. So anyways, so I have this for you guys. Yesterday I was trying to carve my brows and this is what I ended up doing. This is called epic failure. I did a video about this whole thing. I don't know if I'm going to post it as a separate video. I'll probably attach it to this video. We'll see. I got this yesterday. This is Mega Growth Relaxer. I bought the one for sensitive hair because my scalp is really sensitive. I noticed that for every time I try to retouch my hair would always get burned. So I decided to buy this. I already tried it before. I tried it last year and it worked for me, so I decided to buy it again. And it has 7-in-1, so this is going to last me for the whole year, right? So I hope that you guys will enjoy the rest of this vlog because I'm going to try my possible best to make it a very soothing and calming vlog, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it, right? So let's go do some maintenance. Let's go be some, some what? Girly.
Wow.
I need your help.
Are you come back? You want to lose your hair, Abby? And you want to beg me?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
And to think there was a day you cut your hair. Just gave your hair a big chop. I've not forgiven you for that. That act, that singular act pain me.
Why?
I say angels and Obanche. I was complaining bitterly. How can you just put scissors on your hair and you cut your hair? It was really sad for me.
Why now?
It's not my hair, but it paid me past the money. But why exactly did you do that thing? Because today I think I was so angry I didn't even ask you.
It was ponytail, oh. You know, I did that ponytail. The ponytail started from here.
Okay.
Right? So I was trying to that day I came home from work. You know those days when you come home, like I had a very stressful day at
Yeah,
work.
you were cranky.
Yes, I was extremely cranky. And then trying to lose the hair. I already carried this more than I was supposed to carry it. So I now carried the blade. I said, let me lose my hair. Not using the razor blade, trying to, trying to loosen the hair. Because on a normal day, I lose my ponytail myself most of the time.
Yeah.
So I'm not trying to loosen that one. The thing no grey. I try, no grey. My sister, I now held it from the root, and I chopped off.
And you chopped off your hair.
Yes. I chopped off my hair where my hair and the attachment is connected. I just chopped everything off. It was in 2020.
I can't do that to myself.
I did it.
Jesus Christ. I don't just like low cut. I don't know. Like I see people that are on low cut and I'm like, oh, they are looking good and all, but it's not
like
something.
the idea
Of me being on low cut. Maybe because when I was in secondary school and even primary school, my daddy made sure we're on mala. It's not low cut.
Skin
My
cut.
daddy will see the skin cut is like skin. If he mistakenly give you money to go and cut your hair and you come back with hair on your head, you will go back there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's
So after I was done with that stage and I started growing my hair was the most precious thing to me. I know they joke with my hair.
They like person they bring up from prison. This life, your experiences just make you feel some type of way.
Yeah.
Because you see the way you feel now is because of what you experienced. Me, when I was growing up, like in primary school, secondary school, I was begging to cut my hair.
Oh, you get. Is it the day that when I finally started making my hair in university then? So the first day I came back late that day, my daddy was talking to me. After he was on shouting, why did I come back late? It was my first time of making hair, and I did my hair like this.
You flipped your hair for your dad?
My daddy roast me. He beat me. He said, "You're flipping. Oh, you know the braid hair, abi."
You know they are no cut again.
Go and bab. I babbed that hair that night. Carry me go bab her every and they flip it for her.
Jesus.
What? So why would I joke with my hair?
It's so amazing how I've been vlogging with my front camera and the quality is amazing. You know how they always say that for you to get a better quality, you have to vlog with your back camera. But the last video I did it with my front camera. And then this video right now, I'm also doing my front camera and it's nice. It's really nice. So I think one of the major trick is before you vlog, both front and back camera, just clean your camera with a very clean clothes, something very soft that would not scratch it. You get, cause man, I've been enjoying this, so I like it a lot. Vlogging with back camera is so stressful because most times you don't really get to see what you're doing, so you just have to use your instinct and a whole lot of work goes into it. But with front camera, I'm just like pa 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 pa, and I'm vlogging. So I like it. So this is my front camera, you guys. I'm all dressed up now and I'm heading to the salon. Look at my hair. Oh my god. That's a lie, you're blowing it out. 2 months pregnancy.
Now that you're out of my life, I'm so much better. Thought that I'd be weak without you, but I'm stronger. Thought that I'd be broke without you, but I'm richer. Thought that I'd be sad without you, I love harder. You thought I wouldn't grow without you, I grew smarter. You thought that I'd be hopeless without you, now I'm happier. You thought that I'd be stressed without you, I'm just chilling. Thought I wouldn't sell without you, sold 9 million. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop. I'm a survivor, I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna make it, keep on surviving.
good morning. So yesterday I finished really late from the salon, so I couldn't really vlog because by the time I go home there was no light again, so I just had to continue this morning. So yes, I wasn't able to do everything I wanted to do, but I was able to retouch my hair. Look at how silky it looks. Guys, my hair is so beautiful. Hey. So I'm going back there this morning so that I can get my pedicure done, and then I also want to make my hair. I'm going to be doing ponytail, so I got this yesterday from the supermarket so I can do my ponytail. This weave on I just hope that this weave on will stay because it's so cheap. It's really cheap, but I won't be carrying the hair for long anyway. So yes, and I also have a wedding to attend this weekend. I have a Yoruba wedding to attend. I need to add it because I've heard so much about Yoruba weddings and I really want to experience this one and see what it feels like. I've always like looked forward to, you know, actually attending a Yoruba wedding proper. So come with me. Let's go finish up this maintenance vlog. I'm going to vlog about the wedding, but it will probably be in my next vlog. I'm going to show you guys my outfit and everything, you know. So yeah, let's get to the salon, guys.
Thought that I'd be broke without you, but I'm richer. Thought that I'd be sad without you, I love harder. You thought I wouldn't grow without you, I grew smarter. You thought that I'd be hopeless without you, now I'm happier. You thought that I'd be stressed without you, I'm just chilling. Thought I wouldn't sell without you, so not million. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop. I'm a survivor, I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna make it, keep on surviving.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I just got home. I'm so exhausted. You know that thing that they say beauty is pain? Beauty is really pain, because I've been at the salon since 12 and this is 5 o'clock. So I've been at the salon for 5 good hours. Oh my god. I'm so exhausted. But all in all, this works and I like it, and I think I'm going to look really nice for my Yoruba wedding tomorrow. I can't wait to show you guys my outfit and every other thing. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. There's one thing I need to say before I go. If you watched my previous video, there's a video I did I think on the 31st of December 2022. I'm going to attach a link to the video up here. So I talked about how I wanted to live soft life in 2023. I wanted to just, you know, take care of myself, do this, do that. Guys, it is so expensive. Like, it's actually so expensive to do these things almost all the time. Like, for you to actually keep up and look extremely nice all the time, it is very expensive. Sincerely, it's something that I'm not used to. I'm a kind of person that I used to actually want to go for the cheaper things than luxury, just because I'm trying to cut costs. Or I told myself this year that I actually deserve luxury, and the truth is, if I don't treat myself to luxurious things or make myself look good all the time, how exactly do I want to attract the kind of people I need in my life, you know? So luxury is expensive, you guys, but please, if you're doing luxury and trying to look good and everything, make sure not to break the bank. Make sure that you still find a way to live below your means. All right, so yeah, that's just what I wanted to say. Look at my nails. I forgot to show you guys. Look at my nails. I really like it. It's cute. So anyways, you guys are already on this channel, so you're going to be seeing everything, because I'm not going to be sugarcoating anything. I don't even know how to sugarcoat. I'm going to give it to you guys as it is. So you see this luxury lifestyle I'm about to live in 2023, this soft life I'm about to live. It's only God that will help me, because it's me, myself, and I paying all the bills, you know. So I'm just hoping that I can keep having extra sources of income that would help me take better care of myself. So yeah, that's it basically. So I like the way I look. I look really nice. I look really, really nice. So if you're watching this part right now, I love you so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for watching this vlog. Please make sure you like this video, drop a comment, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, I love you guys. I need to go catch some sleep because I am tired. Bye guys, see you in my next video. My Yoruba wedding video. That's the next video that I'm going to be posting in this channel. You don't want to miss it. Bye guys.